Hi, I'm Sri Srinivasan, Director of Adaptive Execution with ABB IA Energy Division, and welcome to the ABB Adaptive Execution Virtual Lab. We have come up with this concept of taking you through this virtual explorative journey to introduce and explain the elements of adaptive execution by a combination of recorded live presentations, demos across different parts of which exhibiting specific characteristics of a project that we have transformed to simplify, enhance, integrate, and standardize. Each of these parts that you would experience would illustrate the key attributes, enablers, benefits, and the values of adaptive execution that are aligned to your needs and challenges. I'm here in the Chameleon habitat to talk about the key attribute of our adaptive execution model, the vision of adaptive execution that helps us to set an accurate scope and price. What does that have to do with the chameleon, you may ask? Well, you may know this, but a chameleon is one of the few animals with a 360-degree vision. That's precisely what's necessary to accurately scope and price a project, the ability to see around the corners and anticipate potential obstacles. ABB Adaptive Execution is an end-to-end global project execution model, a framework that integrates expert teams, new technologies, agile processes, shared learnings, and proven methodologies into a single streamlined project execution experience for all our stakeholders involved in a major capital project. Now, with the current oil prices falling and investments lowering than normal, due to lockdowns, with the pandemic going on, companies are looking for that value injection that will help them to find efficiencies and reduce risk in major projects. Now, ABB Adaptive Execution supports that need and is a global solution that can help the capital projects market thrive in this new norm. ABB Adaptive Execution will change the way in which customers, EPCs, our partners, and vendors would interact. We can create better business value for our customers by creating an environment where everyone can do his or her own part with confidence, empowering delivery teams to achieve more in less time. This is the key to overall project success. Driving significant project value improvements, ABB Adaptive Execution is a 360-degree approach that enables greater visibility across all layers of a project. The performance of large capital projects has been historically challenged and prone to overruns despite extensive project management improvements, research and practices. Analysis have shown projects have deviated from plan and many root causes have been identified, largely around issues related to methodology, technology, infrastructure. However, we believe a critical element for a successful project delivery so far being neglected, specifically the soft issues of a project delivery, such as leadership, organization, culture, mindset, the attitude and the behavior of the project teams and the leaders. We would like to address this under the project execution capabilities aspect of the people and the skills. A project will have an original scope, uncertain and changing requirements, and therefore needs adaptive methods. The traditional project management strategies requires teams to follow a set procedure no matter what the scope and the requirements are. Many projects grow as they progress and have requirements that are not clearly defined at early stages of a project. It's therefore difficult to manage them with the traditional methodology. The adaptive approach is designed to continually adapt to changes depending on the project situation. Because each project is different, an adaptive project execution framework has the set of tools, technologies, methodologies, infrastructure, and capabilities with a fit for purpose, or what I would like to call as a build to adapt approach. Unlike traditional methods where a team carefully follows a waterfall schedule of tasks, with the adaptive method, the current situation is constantly analyzed and adjusted. The main characteristics of adaptive execution framework is to thrive on change, learn from discovery, and be customer focused. Adaptive management includes basic principles of agile project management, such as iterative processes and creative business environments. In addition, adaptive management involves the active use of quantitative methods to measure project performance and apply learning to improve decisions. ABB Adaptive Execution is built around the four main focus areas of transformation. That's the technologies and tools, which is our products and solutions. And through integrated products and solutions across process automation, electrical and telecom, we deliver efficient technologies. Methodologies, which is our process and procedures. Through standard work processes and procedures, we deliver effective methodologies. Infrastructure, which consists of our platforms and systems that are used during project execution. Through this unified ecosystem, well supported by our IS security and well-defined architecture, we deliver project execution infrastructure systems that help us to work collaboratively with all our customers, EPCs, and partners in a completely virtual cloud environment. And finally, the most important and key area being the capability aspect is where the people, the mindset, the behavior and competency and skill. Through global access to expert teams, well-experienced resource and center of excellence, we deliver performing agile capabilities by having the right resource at the right time at right location. Each of these focus areas have specific enablers that we are looking into to further enhance, simplify, automate, and standardize. These will help us to achieve the desired efficiency and ease with which we will be able to manage change and still be able to deliver on time and budget. All of this is achieved with a collaborative approach on interface, change, and risk management aspects. Thank you for stopping by and visiting us today. We would like you to proceed to our next pod to see and experience some of our key adaptive enablers that's built into our project execution strategy.